Hello Fashion Sewers, I'm Colleen Geely and welcome to FSB TV. I'm just popping in, it's going to be a short video just to tell you about what's happening for 2019. Now I'm not sure if, well, you may or may not know there's information that's going around on the internet at the moment as regards Article 13, which has to do with the European Parliament and creators and protecting creators' work, and it's kind of like a double-edged sword. So YouTube has informed creators to be aware of this article and to take it seriously, in particular people who do how-to video tutorials. For some reason there is something going around the internet to think that we probably won't be affected, but more than likely, you know, we're going to be affected. We are going to be as affected just as any other YouTube creator that's in Europe. So I'm reading as much information as I can, and it's helped me make some decisions that was going through my mind. So this video is just going to wish you all a happy holidays, and I look forward to seeing you in 2019, which more than likely will be the case either way. But you know, one has to make sure that, you know, you look after your own interests, even though I'm on the YouTube platform. So I've got some exciting projects that I'm working on in 2019, which I can't wait to share with you, and I'll definitely be sharing those with you in January. So please stay tuned to the channel, and I'll keep you updated about what's happening with Article 13 and how it may or may not affect, you know, YouTubers in the UK, which yeah, it's really all I can say. What I will do is I'll put links to the article, so if anybody's interested, you can go along and read what's happening there. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to keep this short. I want to wish you all happy holidays, and I look forward to seeing you in 2019.